Hey guys, Dave G from Dave.G.Designs. Just a quick one today to say that I have been working on a little project for Joe over at Joe Makes. And Joe is in the process of building a 3D printed Christmas tree. And he's asked the maker community to make various different ornaments to hang on the tree, and then all the ornaments will be donated to a local kids charity called the Kids Network, and it's all about mentoring and creating a positive future and giving kids tools they need to sort of develop their skills and build for the future. So it's a really good charity, and I'll put links below to that and also to Joe's channel. I've struggled a bit lately. I've torn the tendons in the back of my thumb, so needless to say, it wasn't the easiest make I've ever done, but I managed it, and I wanted to show you what I've made and the process for that. So I've actually made a Christmas tree. It's actually made with a piece of holly, so in keeping with the Christmas theme. I drilled out the bottom of it and I hot glued in some LED lights, so it actually lights up. So that's my donation to the cause. Check out Joe's channel where he makes the tree. Check out the Kids Network charity as well, and here's the video of me making this ornament. Cheers guys, and happy turning, happy making. Cheers guys.